Hey guys, I think Dylan's making out with the fridge. Wait. Dylan learning how to use the fridge.
Stop fucking with that, please.
I had a fridge gasm.
Hey, that's my Coke.
You have 2 liter right there.
No, you drank so much a liter, that's my Coke.
Are you lying about me?
What?
Did you just say I drank 2 liters of Coke?
No, I said there's a 2 liter right there.
Okay. Oh, this isn't good. It's turning into a Windows 7. Yeah, Dylan's computer crashed a long time ago. Be working, buddy. Oh, the mouse is working. This is interesting.
What happens next?
You know, like press this. Can I like jam my hand into it? Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Keyboard smashing!
Okay, maybe that's not the best idea. Delete. Control delete. Ah, this thing is working tonight. I would love that. Maybe like escape. Can I like escape the software on here and just like, no. Oh! Dude, what just...
Yo! I don't think I'm ready for a demon, but I feel like I want a Hellcat. But my issue is that they don't make the Hellcat in a convertible. And if I was gonna lay down 70 grand for a Hellcat, it's gotta be a convertible. And basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the money out of Vance's college fund.
What?
To buy it.
You're taking the money out of
Yeah, because like he's not going to college. He's for like a community college, like vocational, like McDonald's employee kind of guy.
What? You call me a McDonald's employee?
He's gonna DJ at McDonald's.
Be like a McDonald's DJ.
Mickey T's.
Actually, Cheryl and I got really lucky because, like, when Vance was born, the year he was born, we had some stocks that did really good. So we cashed in those stocks and we paid off Vance's college education. So Vance, albeit as crazy as Vance...
Smart hard disk error. The smart hard disk check has detected an what is it say? Imminent failure. To ensure not To ensure not data loss. Yeah, that wasn't improper. Please back up the content immediately and run the hard disk test and system diagnostics. I think it's a little too late to back up the content immediately. Maybe 2 months late. Hard disk 1, 301 F2 system died. I already won here, it didn't help me.
I really wish we could.
That sounded like Angry Birds, didn't it?
Yeah. I'm gonna download Angry Birds.
Okay, let's see here. System information, system test, component test, firmware test, test log, language, exit.
Alexa, Dim the lights.
Oh yeah.
Suck
My happy
my
birthday.
nuts. Angry Birds! Original.
You know, I wish this minute would actually repair, but it is just doing that, so... This is
Go Bun Meds powder, more than a baby powder. It controls odor and wetness with an irresistible scent. Stay cool with Gold Bun.
Dylan, you want to do the fridge gasm again? Yeah, sure.
Oh, pardon.
I would do that. Real ribs on the burger. We did that.
Into Dylan's new oh, it's dead, right? So, this is
Oh, yes.
and the screen is not even blue, it's still black. Black, I tell you. Black.
Racist.
Oh, the mouse is working. This is kind of like it's a mouse game only. Dude, it's a mouse game. It's a mouse game.
Did that catch up on the camera? I was kind of hoping for it. That's why I threw it.
I didn't really catch that on the camera.
Oh!
Okay. What you doing there?
Angry Birds. We are so 2005.
Just a mouse game. I have a pen.
No,
I have
no,
pineapple. Pineapple pen. I have a pen right there. I have an apple.
Right now.
So this is just like a blue
Apple
screen.
pineapple.
Just like a blue screen that's doing nothing. Ah! A Windows 8 that crashed. Well. I'm hiding. I'm hiding. Can't see me.
Angry Birds.
You can't see me. You can't see me. You can't. Oh. Whoopsie. You can't see me.
Wait, ready?
Volume up.
Volume up. No. Can't see.
Dude, there's a logo on the back of your phone. I don't want to show that.
Is ETE Boyer?
Ah!
Oh, it didn't play the do.
Why are you playing this stupid game?
Because I'm so 2005.
Really?
Yeah.
Really? This is your captain speaking. We're just having
Get the.
Whatever. Not sure if anybody watches this stuff anymore. They think it's boring. Tour of Dylan's room. Why don't I name this video that? Oh, okay. I'm tripping on stuff. This is actually, you know, kind of.
What do I do?
Dylan's room, yeah.
You're a bitch ass pig.
I'm climbing on Dylan's legs just to get over here to show you guys this.
I like that. Oh wait, I know why there's no sound.
Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Target.
Dick.
Wow, must be yacht calm.
Oh, what to do? What to do? Oh, what to do? What to do? Ah, nothing. This thing is. Ah. Why is there an internet connection there? I don't.
Because it's stupid.
You know, when I get your next computer, I'm gonna like make an administrator account that none of you guys know, so you can't install stuff without my permission. And you just have your regular account, which is the standard one. That would be a great idea, so you don't do or download all the freaking viruses in the world. You downloaded pretty much 90% of them. Starting with Roblox, well, seeing Roblox vibes. But okay, I'm not retailer.com where I just record stuff, put it on a house website.
Daryl, I want you to smile. No, that's good. And Tyler, I want you to also smile. No way. I'm so high. Okay, now guys, just touch your smiles together.
Really?
Really well. So now
Oh, yes. Oh, God. Oh, fuck.
Huh? Your bodyguard's asleep, wuss.
I guess that says it.